Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ subscribe, hete.
Face TV was Swoby.
tó bá ti wà nínú àwọn àwùjọ báyìí tó bá ní kí ẹ̀kọ́ sọ̀rọ̀ kan fún ẹ̀tọ́ àlẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ tí wọ́n bá sọ torí iná tó dọ̀ ní ẹni wọ́n rùn ní ó yẹ kọ́ nísẹ́ni kejì tẹ́lẹ̀ rẹ̀ báwo sọ pé lẹ́ẹ̀ àwọn tí ìbá sọ máa tó dọ̀ lójú ọ sọ pé lẹ́ẹ̀ àti ẹ̀sọ́ lẹ́ẹ̀sì wájú ìṣọ́wájú ẹ̀tọ́ àlẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ wà sọ pé lẹ́ẹ̀ we have come to learn. Yes, the main object of this conference is not other but humanity. Humanity comes before religion. Humanity, that is humankind, comes before religion. There's going to be more emphasis, elaboration about it. Yes, we got lovely speakers, guest speakers, that will tell us more and more about it. Pardon me if I'm not coming in other dialects this way. This is what I'm asked to do, and I will try to balance it up the way I feel. My mother is an Igbo woman. My daddy is a... with me, you will want to, you realize that we have the speakers. They're going to be at the
Sanusi. Okay. The reason behind the title of humanity comes before religion. First of all, I give thanks to Almighty God, as today is my birthday. I clocked 28 years old today, April 4. So for the sake of that, I think I should be able to give back to the society, to give back to the community. Then I came up with this idea to host a conference, a gathering, an initiative that will liberate people to accommodate themselves, to be with themselves irrespective of their religion, or faith, or belief. So with this, we are all human before we start practicing any religion. So humanity comes before religion. Every religion preach humanity. Humanity is giving charity, giving offering, be kind, benevolent, be just. That is humanity, and every religion preach the same thing. So humanity comes before religion. You cannot be a cruel person, a wicked person, and believe you will see a good face of God. No, never. But you have to be humanity. Today we have human without humanity. People are just too cruel. People are just too harsh because of religion. We don't have to practice same belief. Before I could be your friend, before I could be your family, before I could be your boss or one who working for you. Humanity comes before religion. I advocate for peace. I advocate for love. I advocate for just kind and benevolent. We should live in peace. If there is peace in community, we will be able to practice our religion, our belief peacefully. No peace, no love. No love, no peace. All we should be advocating for is humanity. We should love each other. Love your neighbor as you love yourself. God is love. God is love. We are too religious, but we are not godly. That's the problem we have these days. We are too religious, but we are not godly. God is love. So far you love others, you are serving God. We are not free until all of us are free. We are not safe until all of us are safe. Thanks everyone. Thanks Nigerian. Thanks all Muslim. My congregation, my family, my friend. Thank you all. I appreciate you. Happy birthday to me myself. Thank you. Humanity comes before religion. We should accommodate ethic instead of ethnicity. God bless you all.
Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, subscribe.
Face TV was Swoby.